everybody, it's Amalia, and I'm here today with the March contribution for the House Mouse collaboration for 2021. This is a collaboration that's being run by Deb Hauk of Deb Hauk's Crafty Cottage, and we have lots of people in the collaboration as well, so don't forget to take a look at the description and click on those links to check out everybody's House Mouse project. This collab is being done in honor of Gracie21, a YouTuber for many years here on YouTube who originally did the House Mouse collabs, and unfortunately she's passed away last year, so we're all doing this this year in honor of her and in dedication to her and her friendship as a fellow YouTuber. And this month's project for March is Spring Has Sprung, and I did two projects today. So here's the first one. This is little mousy on a decorated egg. I always do these in watercolor. I'm having lots of fun with my watercolor palette and tools, and I didn't know what sentiment to put here. Actually, there's tons of sentiments you could put on here. Happy Easter is one of them. But I decided, I had this one already, so I decided to use this one. And it says, "Welcome, little one." And I wanted to add some embellishments. I used up some of my enamel dots that I love so much. And then I decided also, I wanted to put some ribbon or something else on it, like ribbon. But, you know, I didn't want to wrap it around the whole collar, so I just grabbed some twine that I had in black and white, and instead of one little dinky little string bow, I made like multiples and put them together like that. So it's got a little bit more heft, a little bit more bulk to it. This right here is a die from In Love Arts, and I'll be doing, or I've done a video on that already. I'll show you a haul in that video and some other projects. So check that out. I'll link something at the end of the video so you can check that out. My second project was this one right here, also watercolor, and it's a little mousy in an egg eating some jelly beans. It's too adorable. Love it. And this is some Little Bee washi tape in the background. Is washi tape that doesn't stick absolutely frustrating for you as it is for me? I'm gonna have to glue this down because otherwise it'll drive me batty. So with this one, again, I did some watercolor, and I am thoroughly enjoying my Prang Professional Semi-Moist watercolor set here. If you can find this, I highly recommend this. I absolutely love this. The colors are bright and translucent, and you can do anything you want with them, basically. So what I did here, this is on watercolor paper. I had some yellow paper that was embossed. I put that as a matte, and I used some yellow enamel dots, and yeah, that's it, folks. These are my two projects for my House Mouse collab in March. Again, the theme was Spring Has Sprung, and I think these Easter theme images are perfect to remind us of spring and the joy of spring and the frustration of washi tape that doesn't stick. It's old washi tape. I've had it for a while, but it's Little Bee brand, and I got it at Tuesday morning. And that's all she wrote, folks. Anyway, I hope you like these cards. I love House Mouse. If you like House Mouse too, click in the comment below and write House Mouse rules, and let me know if you love House Mouse too. And what do you do about washi tape that doesn't stick? I already put some glue behind here. You can even see it a little bit because it wasn't sticking. Leave a comment below like I just said. Click thumbs up because it really matters. It helps promote the videos on YouTube. And if you're not subscribed, well, why aren't you subscribed? Please subscribe today and click the bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. The next video will be up on the 1st of the month. Actually, all the House Mouse videos are up on the 1st of the month. And so you'll get notified every 1st of the month when I post a new video, so you'll be reminded to come to my channel and see it. Thanks so much, everybody, for stopping by. I really appreciate you. Bye!